Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys on how to create Binance account step by step on this tutorial video. Make sure you guys to just watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you guys can understand how Binance work. Okay, don't skip any part of this video. Okay, and make sure you guys to just try to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on this subscribe button and make sure you just turn on the bell icon here like this. Okay, so that whenever I release a new video on how to make money online, content like this, you will be the first person to get notification on this YouTube channel. Okay, let's jump right into the video right away guys. So right now, if you want to create your Binance account, just make sure to just watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you guys can understand how you can create your own Binance account step by step. Okay, let me just try to click on this register. Okay, once you click on the register button, it will bring you a page like this. You can see like this. You're gonna click on this, sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with your email address. I normally use an email. Okay, let's say you want to use your email. Okay, let me just try to use my email here. All right, step by step. Okay, without any problem on this tutorial video. All right, okay, I want to use my email step by step without any problem. Okay, I'm trying to write my email. Okay, so that you guys can, you have to just put in your email address, everything step by step. Okay, without any problem. All right, okay, like this. After you have already put your email, you have to just try to put your password. Let me just put my password. It's very strong password like this. All right, a very strong password. Okay, a very strong password. Okay, let me just try. The minimum is 8 character, one number like this. Let me just do that. Okay, you have to just put a very strong password. Capital letter must be there. Can you see? Okay, capital letter and small letter. Then you have to just put referral. You have to just use my referral code. Click on this area. I'll now paste my referral code here. All right, I'll now just try to. This is my referral code. Okay, you have to just paste your referral code. Then you're gonna try to click on this area I have read. You can click on the links, or you can get my referral code down below this video so that you guys can understand how to create your own Binance account step by step without any problem. Okay, once you've already put your email, your password, then referral code must be there, because okay, then just click on these two things I have read and agree Binance. Then click on this one again. Then you have to just click on this create account right now. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to just wait for it to load up. Okay, it's trying to save it. Let me just save it on. Okay, can you see? Then they have sent me a code to my email. Let me just go to my email. Let me just try to refresh my email right now so that you guys can understand. This is my code right now, guys. They have sent me. Okay, this is my code. Okay, let me just copy the code. All right, let me just paste copy this code. All right, right now, guys, copy it. Then go back to the you have to just paste that code here, paste it here. All right, they're gonna click on this submit. Okay, let me just, okay, it's a wrong something. This is my referral code. Let me just go back again. This is my referral code. I've not copied this one. I've not copied this. Okay, let me just go back again. All right, okay, this is the code. I'll now click on this submit. Okay, you now click on this submit. Then emails was verified. Can you see? I've successfully create my own Binance account step by step. Okay, you have to just wait for it to load. Then you have complete your creation. You have to just verify your account. Okay, then you have to just click on this verify now to verify your account. After I've already confirmed my email, just click on this verify now. Then you have to set up some things. Maybe you are from Nigerian, wherever. Put your personal ID here. Can you see? You have to put your information, your government ID, everything. Click on continue, and then you see. Let me just. Can you see? Maybe you are from Nigeria. You have to just set up, put your name, everything. like that. Okay, there you have to just put your name. Let's say you are okay. Let's say I'm Shitu. Just put your first name, like let's say Shitu. Okay, just put your first name here. All right, put your first name. Okay. All right. Okay, just to put your legal name here. Let's say you are okay, just put your legal name here. Let me just fill in the information first before moving. Okay, this is just, can you see, you have to just put your legal name. Your this one is your this is your let me just delete this one. See, to see here, you just put your first name, last name, then this is your middle name. This one is your personal name. This is your middle. Let me just write it again to show you guys something. All right, this is okay, middle name here, then your last name, that is your father name. Then you have to just put your date of birth, then everything here, then click on this continue to move on. Click on this continue to move on to verify your account. Okay, you can use your bank VVN, or you can use, okay, you can use your NIN number to do that. That one is very easy and easy. You can use driving license, you can use whatever you want to use, ID card, everything. You can use it to verify your, can you see? So you can use that one to just verify your account. It's very simple. Or can you see, you can use your bank BVN, anything you want to use here, you can stand to use it. Can you see, you can select ID card, click on continue to put it. So you can select your NIN number, click here to continue to do it step by step without any problem. So can you see? Then you have to just put your NIN number here, blah blah blah. Okay, just put your NIN number here. So just put it here. Okay, just put your NIN number like this, something like this. You are good to go like that. So something like this, that's just, then you now click on this, I have read everything, then click on this continue like that. To then you have to just click on, let's say you put your NIN number, now click on this continue down below. So maybe they want to verify your account, maybe you are for real, then you have to just show your face. You have to just show your face to maybe you are for real or you are not for real. So it's very simple and easy. Then you have to just can you see, verify your everything. So just that's just simple as that to just create your, in my other video I will show you how to verify your Binance account without any problem. So this video just how to just create your own account step by step on Binance with your ID and everything within can you see? Very easy and easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys just try to just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so it's very simple. Just subscribe to this, click on this subscribe button, click on it like this to subscribe to this YouTube channel already. Click on this subscribe here like this. All right, just click on this subscribe button, click on this subscribe here. All right, click on this subscribe, then click on this bell icon like this. You are good to go. This is how to just create your own Binance account step by step without any problem, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. So thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.